Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and I've been kind of kicking around this idea for a pattern for a little while now. So, if we make a diamond that big, right, and then we go outside of it, out here, right, over this. So that's how big this has to be. So this is going to be similar to the ones that I've just been doing. Okay, so there's red. Let's grab, I guess we can do blue. Okay, so far it looks just like the other patterns we were doing. Trust me, it's going to get a lot more interesting once I figure out a couple more strings here. So there. Now we need a different color. Let's try let's try a green. Now see, if we go like this, we go right through the middle of it. I'm gonna worry about the which goes over and which goes under after we've gotten all four of these things in place. So green, I need one more color. What do we use? Now these aren't necessarily the colors I'm going to use. I might just go with like red and blue, but like a couple different shades. All right. So this went over. Do we want to try to go Celtic, or do we want to try to go like a Helix? I really don't know how to, which one should go over, which ones should go under. Like I almost kind of want to, well, let's alternate. So the red went over, goes under. That means the green goes over this. The red goes over that. This went under, so this goes here. Over, under, right. The green was under, so it goes over. Or does it? It goes under here, over. Oops. Oh no, the green went over this one and under there. Okay. This is seriously confusing. The red went over, so it goes underneath this. And then goes over top of that. And underneath this. blue went over the yellow. Now the yellow goes this way. Green goes over. Now the blue. Over under. So yeah, I think I've got it. Green. So there we go. So now all I have to do is add in the underlying strings, so that way I can have the pattern completed. If I flip it, let's just try this. I'm not sure. Control, copy, paste, flip it. Yeah, it won't work. See how the yellow and the green, well, it could work, but I would rather it continue all the way down. So, yeah. So basically I need to continue on the pattern the way it is, and map out the rest of the strings, and then we're done. I'll probably swap out the blue for a gray, and then be about it. While I'm filling this in, I can thank my YouTube members for making this possible. Again, I just had this creative idea while working on something else and thought it'd be really fun to try, and their encouragement helps to make that possible. So thank you guys very much. I couldn't do this without the support. I don't make enough from the videos themselves yet, so it's the support that gets this done. So thank you guys so much. I will finish this up, and tomorrow we will have a look. Oh wait, Monday we'll have a look and see how this thing turns out. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.